Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Count, Countif, and Countifs formulas in Smartsheet. These three formulas are essential tools for analyzing your data and tracking information across your sheets. Whether you're managing project tasks, tracking inventory, or organizing team workloads, understanding these counting functions will help you extract meaningful insights from your data. Let's dive in and explore how each one works. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Smartsheet homepage where all your files and workspaces are organized. Give it a moment to load completely so you can see all your available sheets. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see your existing files displayed, locate the sheet you want to work with, and click on it to open it. This could be any sheet where you need to count data, track conditions, or analyze information across multiple rows and columns. Now let's explore the count formula. Click on the cell where you want to display your count result. The count formula is designed to count numeric values only. This means it will tally up how many cells in a specified range contain numbers while ignoring any cells with text, blank cells, or other non-numeric content. This is particularly useful when you need to know exactly how many numerical entries exist in a data set, such as counting sales figures, quantities, or scores. Next up is the Countif formula, which takes things a step further. Countif is designed to count rows matching a single condition. This formula allows you to specify a particular criterion, and it will count only the cells that meet that specific requirement. For example, if you wanted to count how many tasks are marked as complete or how many items exceed a certain value, Countif would be your go-to function. It's incredibly versatile for tracking single conditions across your data. The last and most powerful option is the Countifs formula. Countifs is designed to count rows matching multiple conditions simultaneously. This formula becomes essential when you need to apply two or more criteria to your data analysis. For instance, you might want to count how many tasks are both assigned to a specific team member and marked as high priority, or how many sales transactions occurred in a particular region during a specific time period. By allowing multiple conditions, Countifs gives you much more precise control over what you're counting. And there you have it. You've learned how to use all three counting formulas in Smartsheet, each serving a distinct purpose in your data analysis toolkit. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.